Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Salesforce and Creatio CRM. Now why I call it Creatio is that I don't know how it's supposed to be pronounced. Creatio. So I call it Creatio CRM. Let's get started. We want to see which CRM giant actually wins. Now, Salesforce or Creatio, which CRM is right for your business? This is the second battle compares pricing, features, and ease of use to help you choose. It is perfect for entrepreneurs and sales team. If you need a CRM but you're stuck between Salesforce and Creatio, well, just know that one is it's like an industry giant, while the other is a rising star. So let's settle this in 60 seconds. Now let's look at some features. What is it best for? Salesforce is best for large enterprises, while Creatio is best for mid-sized businesses. So who's the winner? It depends if you're a large enterprise or a mid-sized business. And let's look at the setup. Salesforce has a complex setup, so it needs IT, while Creatio is a no-code platform. So the winner, Creatio. Let's look at the price. Salesforce is expensive, while Creatio is more affordable. So the winner, Creatio. Customization. Let's look at customization. Salesforce has endless possibilities of customization, while Creatio is a simple drag and drop. So the winner is a tie. Let's look at the AI features. Salesforce is the Einstein AI, while Creatio has built-in automation. So who's the winner? Einstein, which is Salesforce. Let's look at learning curve. Salesforce has a steep learning curve, while Creatio is beginner friendly. So the winner, Creatio. So you see, Salesforce packs more power, but Creatio wins on ease and price. So if you're a large team, go for Salesforce. If you're a growing business, Creatio is your match. So, Team Salesforce or Team Creatio? Comment below. Smash like if this helped you decide. Subscribe for more 1-minute tech battles. Do not forget to comment on which CRM you would choose.